Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial, you will learn how you can download and install the Perplexity AI chatbot to have conversations and chats with it on your desktop computer or on your laptop. So let us show you really quickly how to do that. Head over to Perplexity AI and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And what you want to do after that is click on install here in the bottom left corner. So let me do that really quickly. And after that, decide on which device you would like to download Perplexity, either on your iOS or Android, or on this device type here, or simply on your desktop computer, for example on your Mac or on Windows. So let me go with the Windows version, wait for the download process to be finished. So let me wait for it. And after that, once the installation launcher has been downloaded, you may launch it, for example, and start the installation. So let me guide you through this on screen really quickly. And that's basically it. After a brief moment, you will see the Perplexity AI chatbot popping up here in a window like this. So that's the application that has been successfully installed. Now you may simply use it the same way you would communicate with it here through the web application of Perplexity AI. So it is very simple, guys. As you can see, it is not in English. It is in Polish for me because that's my mother tongue. So you may, for example, log into your account by clicking on that button in the bottom left corner to access also your account settings and to change the language. And that's basically it. That's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.